What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. If you made some money today, let me know down below. I know today's market was a little bit difficult to navigate, but if you have the right people with the right team, you can make money. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 stocks that I'm going to be watching for tomorrow. So if you guys like these videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, family. So first of all, we have an email from Joe G. He says, huge win on SPY. This is amazing, man. What a day. Despite starting off wild with a 2% drawdown, guys, if you didn't know, the market had a 2% drawdown 1 to 2 hours into market. Okay, those opportunities do not last forever. Last time we seen such a drawdown, it was back in 2020. Okay, those times the negative 2% drawdowns were happening every day when the stock market crashed, but a 2% drawdown right now is extremely rare. So there's many opportunities that come with it. Okay, so a negative 2% drawdown had me feeling the pressure like many new beginners. Okay, so you're gonna see what the market can do, but it's gonna provide a ton of opportunity. Okay, he says, I managed to secure a win on SPXW with the 5,835 call at March 4th, locking in $300. Joe, congratulations on your win. That's awesome to hear. Big shout out to Coach, thank you, and especially Ryan in the Discord. His confidence is off the chart. He was breaking down his trades in real time and explaining every detail like it was second nature. Guys, in the Discord, you're gonna have me, okay? You're gonna have Coach, you're gonna have Ryan as well. Ryan is a master at futures trading. So if you guys haven't joined the Discord already, make sure you join. It's the first link in the description. Okay, so there we go. And he explained once again every detail like it was second nature. As a beginner, having someone like Ryan who not only makes the moves but also guides you through the process makes all the difference. His clear insights helped turn my fear into focus during that tough red day. Being part of such a supportive trading community really shows its value. Let's keep this momentum going. Thank you, Joe. Take a look at this, guys. Joe got into the SPXW call. This is a derivative of SPX, and I believe Robinhood recently added it. So he got the 5,835 call for March 4th. So today's expiration. That means he's getting out in, okay, very quick, getting out fast. All right, so that's the name of the game. He took $285 and he came back with $600 for a contract. That's over a 100% gain. And knowing Ryan, I know this trade probably took 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, no more. Okay, he trades fast, guys. That's the thing with Ryan. He's not into a trade too long, but once he sees the setup, he goes ahead and strikes. So Joe, congratulations on your win. So guys, just a little bit of a kickstart to this video just to show what's possible. I get a ton of those emails every single day, so just want to share with you guys. But let's get into the charts. Okay, guys, we have the SPY pulled up sitting at $580.77. And what we saw today was a ton of volatility. Take a look at this. Okay, so we opened up down almost 8%, and then we crashed down almost 2% on the day. Okay, I think this even went down to the 570s, but take a look at this. We recovered nicely on the day. We turned green, and then we had a bit of a sell-off at the end. We turned red because of all the profit taking that the buyers were selling on. Okay, they took profit here, and then we sold off. And we also got some more news coming into the pipeline. So guys, this was a very volatile day. These days don't come in too often, but if you guys see an opportunity such as stocks being oversold, okay, what you can do is go ahead and add in on dips little by little, because you guys need to be keeping cash for opportunities that come in that you can strike on. Okay, they don't come too often once again, so it's very important you keep cash on hand. So if you guys see any 2% dip tomorrow, just understand, okay, there's some rebalancing. It's gonna get bought back up. The move is gonna trace back up over time. Okay, it's a stock market. Stocks are going to go back up unless there's some major concern. Otherwise, we're going back up. Okay, so just note that about the 2% drops. We're up 0.66% overnight. So tomorrow's market is going to be looking good. You know, we got all the news cleared. Okay, no more foreseeable news tomorrow. So let's go ahead and smash it tomorrow. All right, so next up, guys, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Now, Palantir Technologies, guys, I told you, okay, they love the $85 level on this. Okay, so once again, they did, however, break to $80, but we took this right back up to 85. Okay, so keep watching the $85 level as a magnet, whether it's calls, whether it's puts. Okay, you guys need to know to play both sides. All right, so we got Palantir Technologies, a big watch. I love this stock for the volatility it provides. Okay, next up, we got ticker symbol NVDA. Now, I know a ton of people been saying, Rocky, this is going down to 90s. Okay, I see NVIDIA going down to 90s. Guys, a ton of fear is being spread upon NVIDIA. You saw it with DeepSeek. They had to hit it with a fake article on DeepSeek. Okay, maybe it was real, maybe the app was real, but it was short-lived. Okay, that's one thing about news in the stock market. When it comes to big hitters like NVIDIA, they always try to take it down. No matter how strong NVIDIA is, they recently had great earnings. They try to take it down to the 110s. Take a look at this, guys. The pre-market, they hit it at 108, and then they at the open, okay, they took this one green. However, we dipped down to 110s. Okay, let me know if you guys got into the 110s. These dips don't come too often. The last time we saw these levels was around the DeepSeek news, okay, about a month ago. Then, okay, we got that market growth right here. Okay, we got the sell-off stop and the buyer started stepping in. All right, and then we went to 118, and now overnight's almost at 120. So back again with NVIDIA, you're gonna see it's a strong stock. Whenever people are saying sell off, sell off, sell off, that's the time to maybe perhaps buy a leap option. So you don't have to check the market too much. You can sit and wait, and eventually when the stock goes back up, you be in profits. Okay, so that's some words of wisdom I'm gonna provide for NVIDIA. Okay, great long-term stock. So whenever you see these 9% dips on the day, okay, you got to see where it came down from, because eventually the retracement down is gonna provide the retracement back up. Okay, these short dips are often short-lived. All right, so I just want to emphasize that for NVIDIA. I don't see this one going down to the 60s like everyone's calling for a market crash. Okay, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol WMT. Now, Walmart, guys, I keep saying this one is a huge ripper on the open. Take a look at this. All right, you're gonna see, yes, Walmart went down because of Target earnings. Okay, we covered that in the last video, but you could see that on open. Okay, I'm going right on open right now. 95.35 to 90, almost 97. Okay, so that's a whole $1 jump move. But if you guys are into the call options, okay, just note that that $1 move on the stock translate to a lot of money being made. Okay, so just a common pattern I've been seeing and providing for you guys on Walmart. Take a look at this. February 27th on open, ran up a couple percent. Okay, same thing. Okay, you're gonna see this common on many of these stocks. Okay, so Walmart, once again, take a look at February 28th, $97 to $98. Yes, that's not a dollar move, but in that $half move, that's a lot of money to be made. Okay, so watch Walmart. Whenever it opens, it's gonna rip. Okay, once again, that's another example. All right, so I'm just showing you guys what's possible with Walmart. So Walmart, definitely another stock we can go ahead and rinse and repeat. Okay, when we see the same pattern, we go ahead and execute it because we know money's there. All right, so join the Discord. You guys are gonna get an entry on Walmart. Okay, I'm gonna alert that in the morning. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol HOOD. Now, Hood. All right, this one's been taking a beating all day. Yes, 9% down, but it eventually recovers with the whole market. Okay, guys, I've been saying Hood, $45 is a buy, $40 is a buy. Okay, this one gave us $42 today. That is a huge buy the dip opportunity. Yes, you can buy the dip slow. Okay, that's what I preach. Go slow and controlled in market conditions like this, so you can slow down, take some Hood. If it goes back down, when it goes back down to 40, you can get some Hood again. And when it goes back to the 50s, right, it was trying to test 50 again, but it sold off last 30 minutes like the market did. Okay, so you guys, some of you guys need to know, okay? These key minutes are the last 30 minutes of the market. That's one key time frame you need to know about. The 1 hour sell-off, where after 1 hour, stocks tend to rebound a bit, okay? They sell off the first 1 hour. You've been seeing that. The last 30 minutes, okay? Last 30 minutes, last 15 minutes. Those two time frames are huge when it comes to market, okay? So be aware of that. You guys know to buy in on dips, but there are certain time parameters when these dips occur too, okay? So I want you guys to keep those in mind. This is extra sauce I'm just spilling for you guys, okay? So Hood, always great for a dip buy. They've been giving us generational dips, okay? So that's for Hood. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TSLA. Yes, it made another low today at the 260s. However, it made a nice recovery to the 283s. So as long as you get a hammer candle on Tesla, I can see it going back up to the 300s, okay? So a hammer candle is when the stock sells off, but the dip gets bought up, okay? Yes, there may be red hammer candles, but I'm particularly looking for a dip to get bought back up and Tesla to remain green for the day, because we've been having red on red on red. So once again, take a look at this. 260, okay, 264 is going to be your key support level for tomorrow. So let's say, oh, we get a bull trap again, where we run up at open, right? We take profits on Walmart, then it shoots back down, okay? Your job is to know the key levels, whether it's on SPY, okay, whether it's on Tesla. I know every $10 SPY drops, okay, that's a huge opportunity for it to bounce up. I know for Tesla, when it goes to 264, that's an opportunity for a bounce because of how much Tesla has been selling down, okay? They got so much contracts going on right now. I know there's a bunch of news sparking up for Tesla, so I'm watching Tesla for a 264 rebound back up to the 300s, okay, guys? These dips do not last. Yes, the stock market might have gave its gain since the election, but it doesn't mean you can't invest long term, okay? Don't let anyone tell you can't trade the stock market, okay? I know there's that 1% rule, but you can still go ahead and make money, okay? As long as you master calls, master puts, and know the time frames, okay? So I just want to point that out. Next up, guys, I want you to watch out for SCHD. Now, if we're talking dividend stocks, this is something I would look into, especially on a down day. This one had lows of almost 2%, okay? You rarely see this for a stock like SCHD, which has been growing quite nicely, okay? 1% in the past month, yet it provides a dividend. So once again, if you guys make money from trading, right, you can park some money into SPY, you can park some money into VOO, you can park some money into SCHD, dividend stocks that will help you out in the future, okay? Because we're here to trade for money, yet we can park that money and make more money with longer term investments, okay, family? This is what the stock market is about. It's the greatest vehicle of wealth creation. Guys, these dips are not going to last forever. Yes, the stock market is down. Yes, there is so much news driving the stock market up 1% in the day, down 2% in the day, back to 1% up in the day. But in the long term, okay, in the long run, stocks and investments are going to go back up, okay? Crypto, Bitcoin had the same move. Don't you think Bitcoin was down 20% in one day? I believe the largest drawdown in Bitcoin was about 14% a day, right? That's probably when it was $1,000 and no one believed in it yet. Now it's at 100K, or it's actually at 90,000, okay? It might have drawn down a bit, but long term, okay, Bitcoin was one of the greatest vehicles of wealth creation in the modern day. So if you're trying to say, oh, the stock market is not for me, think again, okay? Zoom out, look long term, because long term, right, stocks are going to go back up, okay, family? These times are not going to last forever. So what you can do, if you do want to get into a position, right, you don't gotta buy a stock at the spot price, but you could also sell a put, and then if you get a sign, you can hold that stock too. There's many ways you can go about it in this market, but as traders, okay, we love the volatility. It gives us so much opportunity. For example, that 10-point drawdown on SPY, right? If you rode the calls all the way up, That's life-changing money. Okay, that's just one of the many examples that the market provides. So make sure you guys are out spotting, right? If there's any dips in interest, carry cash on hand. Okay, that's gonna be handy in the future. So I'm just showing you guys once again what's possible. If you do want to join the Discord and get in on the plays getting back into money tomorrow morning, make sure you guys hit the first link in the description. It's updated regularly, daily for your experience. So guys, join the Discord, first link in the description. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We do videos just like this every day. So if you want to watch another one, click right here. Remember, most people see the end result, very few concerning journey. Guys, I will see you all tomorrow for another video. Okay, good luck. I believe in each and every one of you. Let's make this money tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Peace.